Good day, everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is David Olubengadeti Akindele, and I'm your host on this regular YouTube channel called Benga Akindele YouTube channel. I'm happy to have you around. What I'm talking to you today about is that it is easier to make money offline than online. It is easier to make money offline than online. Many people have created videos showing how to make money online, how to make money online, how to make money online in Nigeria, in this, from here, from there, from this place, from that place. I'm telling you that it is easier to make money offline than online. And I will tell you why. What do I mean by offline? Offline means outside of the internet, not involving the internet, while online means on the internet. So when I say somebody is online, that means the person is on the internet, have Wi-Fi, is on the internet, is browsing. So it's easier to make money without browsing outside of the internet, in your own locality, face to face like this, making business with people that you can see and making money than making money on the internet. It is easier. It is more difficult to make money on the internet. That's what I'm saying. Let me give you a few examples. Let's take for instance that you somebody have a farm he wants to weed, and then you go, before you wake up in the morning, you go around some farms and you said, do you have farms you want to weed? Do you have farms you want to weed? Do you have farms you want to weed? Do you have work you want to do? Do you have work you want to do? Do you have any work for me that I can do for you physically? Before the end of that day, before you do that for 1 hour, you will get somebody that will say, yes, I have tasks for you to do. And you do it, the person hand you over your money instantly. On the internet, I don't know of anywhere where you go to on the internet within 1 hour and you will get work to do, and then you get paid immediately you finish the work, as fast and as easy as it is on offline. At the same time, on the outside of the internet, you can reach out to people and you can discuss your ideas. You can get to somebody and tell him, I can do this for you, I can do that for you. And the person can say, okay, go ahead and do it. And I will pay you. You meet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Go ahead, I'll do it. On the internet, it may not be that way. It may not be that way. It may not be that way. So it's easy. I'm talking about the ease. It's easier. So if you are thinking, oh, I will give, even forex trading, there's forex trading on the internet, there's forex trading outside of the internet. Those malams, abokis, at some major markets, at some airports, and at some hotels, especially in the capital cities, in most places, or in travel cities, in tourist cities. You see the people changing money. They give them a particular amount, they change it for you at a particular amount, and they make some profit from that. And they do that. The money you give them, let's assume you want to take naira to dollar, they will do that change for you, and they will get some change. When you are coming back to your country, the change that you have, which is in dollar, you can change it back. They will still make some profit from you. That is forex trading. But forex trading online, you can also make money as a trader, but it is not guaranteed. The money the forex trader is making offline is guaranteed profit, but online you cannot guarantee. Online you cannot guarantee. Online your account can be swept off immediately. You may be making some money and say I have more money there. It may be swept off, but the offline man, his money can never be swept off by whatever. He will still have his money. It may devalue, but he still have his money. If the value increases, he still have his money. So what I'm trying to say is that for those looking for shortcut to success, shortcut to riches, online is not the place. In fact, online is a longer way to make money. online is longer way to make money. Many people lose money online. Many people lose money online. Some investments online. There was one investment I heard about sometimes. So many of them. I can't be mentioning their names now. Some people are on Telegram now. They will just message you. They will add you. Then they will message you that you drop some particular amount, minimum 10,000, and in 24 hours, in 7 days, you get the double. Then I ask them, what business are you doing? It says oil and gas. What kind of oil and gas will you do? In a week, you get double the money. I didn't subscribe. I didn't go in for that. After a while, I signed out. I stopped. I just deleted the account. I don't want to belong to the group on Telegram again, because when I belong to the group, when messages come, it will land in my on my phone, and I'm going to consume my data, and I'm not interested. So I just opted out of it. What I'm saying is that there are many dupes online than offline. In the same vein, there are many people that are not dupes online. They're not dupes online, but it's not that easy to make money online. Online, if you can persevere, I say that again, if you can persevere, after a while, the money will just it will keep rolling in. Take for instance, somebody starts a blog, like Linga Ikeji. Everybody is talking about her blog in Nigeria. Ah, she's a blogger, she has money, she has this, she has that. But go and ask her how she started. Nobody wants to find out how she started. Everybody just knows she has a blog. They want to have blog, and they are not patient to let the blog to grow, let people know them. Many people are into lifestyle blog like Linda Ikeji. But Linda Ikeji has taken the lead. You cannot come in and overtake her on that. Why can't you go and start a blog, start a YouTube event, YouTube page, cover an event, a wedding for free, and then place it on your YouTube channel? Go to an event, tell them you cover it for free and place it on YouTube, and you have the permission, then you cover it for free and you place it on YouTube. This was a formula Dele Momodu used, and he became a millionaire, and even a billionaire. He had that magazine Ovation. All he does is to go to the wedding and events of the richest people in town in Nigeria, whether it's in Nigeria, whether it's in London. He will cover the event and he will place it in Ovation and he will sell it. The people are happy for the publicity that they are giving them. The other people are happy for the packages, for reading about that individual, and so they are happy, and their life moves on. And this one is happy. The other people that are buying it are happy. The one that are recording is happy. He settles daily Momodu. People that are buying, they are happy. His employees are happy. He pays them. The people reading it are happy. Everybody goes home smiling. So you understand? You can, instead of going, so you cover the event and then you place it there on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. And in fact, you can interview them. Everybody enjoys it, and then it goes to your YouTube channel. It goes to your blog. It goes to your newspaper, your magazine. All these can still be done. I remember a friend of mine that we read that Ovation together those days. They used to buy it in their house, and he read about Hadi Akonde. And the Hadi Akonde said he works with the big people, that he works with the big people. How did he become millionaire? So. They interviewed him. He said he happened to work with the big people, and he followed their pattern, and he saw their lifestyle, and he key in, and he became big. And that guy was telling me, with enthusiasm. Why? He read it. So that guy will want to read the next edition. Read the next edition. Read the next edition. Read the next edition. Read the next edition again and again and again and again. So it's easier to make money offline than online. But if you want to make money online, you must be persevering. You must be patient. You must learn how it goes. Go and check Linda Ikeji. It was not the first year that she made her money. She has been at it for so many years before eventually she made her money. So don't think that the first year you start your blog or whatever, you just hit it and make money. It may take you 2 years, 3 years. I can tell you a series of investments, series that we've gone into, but it is easier to make money offline. They'll just pay you immediately. But the online one, they'll tell you that they'll pay you in dollar. Then you cannot withdraw the dollar until when it is up to $100. Then when it is $100, you have to withdraw it on a particular date. You can't withdraw it every day. You have a particular date you withdraw. So you have to wait till that day. Are you following? Then you withdraw it in dollar to your domiciliary account. When you withdraw it to your dom account again, you go and withdraw it from the bank. And then go and change it to Naira. Compare with this one that you do your work, they pay you, you jet out. So what I'm saying is that when you are thinking of making money quick, don't think of the internet. Don't think of the internet except you want your money to be wasted or you want your effort to be wasted. But if you are thinking of long term, something that you want to build for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, I see so many guys. And I see so many guys doing some shady things. I just laughed. They just do it for 1 month, 2 months, they go off. But you want to build something that will last for a long time. This is that time. I will talk to you some other time. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button. Bye for now.